will explain some basic concept related to potentiometer, and this is the part of current electricity, and this will be my 9th lecture on current electricity. Suppose that here we have a potentiometer and this is the driver cell and the EMF is 2 volt. It is the external resistance R1. Here is AB is potentiometer wire. Now here it is the secondary circuit. The EMF is E. Here is key. Here is the resistance box of resistance R2, say high resistance R2. Here is galvanometer and we obtain a null point. Now in this type of numerical, if it is given what is the use of R2 here, what is the purpose of use high resistance R2 here? So very simple, why R2 is used here? First question is why R2 is used here? R2 protect the galvanometer from the burning. Simple answer is what? Ki R2 protect the galvanometer from the burning, because galvanometer is a very sensitive device and this R2 gives a control current to the galvanometer. So it is the purpose of using of high resistance R2 here. Otherwise also we can say the answer, it allow very small current through the galvanometer when the movable contact is far away from the null point. Means what? When this is away from the J, जब ये J से पहले हो, in this इधर हो या यहाँ हो, है ना, then it allows a small current through it. अब क्यों? यहाँ पर सेकेंड केस अगर हम लोग देखते हैं, in this case कि when we obtain a null point J or balancing point J, when we obtain the null point, then there is no flow of current through it. If question is, if we increase the value of this R2, then what will the effect on the null point? Then there will be no any effect on the null point, because there is no flow of current through this part of the circuit. This is the secondary part. So null point will remains unchanged. Now second question is what? When R1 increases, whether null point will shift. R1, this is the external resistance. This resistance is series with this wire. So when we increase the R1, so no doubt current through this will decrease. So here very simple, we have K equal to V by L. When K equal to V by L means V equal to IRAB by L. Now with increase in R1, the current through this I will increase. So if I will increase, then K also will increase. No, 1 minute. When R1 increases, then current will decrease. When current will decrease, then K will decrease. When K will decrease, then length will increase. So null point will shift towards B. Now very simple, this R1 affect the value of current from this cell. When R1 increases, then current will decrease. When current will decrease, then the potential gradient will decrease, and potential gradient will decrease means the balancing length will increase. So in this case, when R1 increases, then the balancing length will shift towards the point B. Here, if what will be the effect on the null point when the EMF of this secondary cell is greater than 2 volt? Now then in this case, the EMF of driving cell will be less than this one. So now potential drop across this length will be less than this. So in this case, we cannot obtain the null point. So there will be no null point in this case. Now in B, when K is closed, then what will be? This cell will be short circuited. ठीक है? और इस केस में हमारा जब कनेक्ट हो जाए तो नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव दोनों टर्मिनल क्या हो जाएंगे? सेम हो जाएंगे। तो ये शॉर्ट सर्किटेड के केस आ गए, और इस केस में भी हम लोग नल पॉइंट इफेक्ट ऑब्टेन नहीं कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर। इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी हैव a primary circuit and the driving cell and E, and it is the secondary cell Q, and the resistance S in the galvanometer, and we have a null point J on the potentiometer Y. Now first question is what? Whether null point will shift. Now condition is what? When R is increased. When we increase R in this case, then what will happen? The on null point. तो यहाँ हम लोग देखेंगे कि R इंक्रीज करने से करंट थ्रू दिस, जो करंट यहाँ से बाहर निकलेगा वो डिक्रीज कर जाएगा, देन करंट विल डिक्रीज। व्हेन करंट विल डिक्रीज देन वी हैव फार्मूला K इक्वल टू V बाई L, एंड K इक्वल V मीन्स I R A B बाई L। जब ये हमारा एंड दिस I will decrease, then K also will decrease, potential gradient also will decrease, or in this case this L will increase, means balancing length will shift towards B. In this case, in this condition, when R is increased, then balancing length will shift towards B. Now second option, when S is increased, keeping R constant, then whether null point will shift. Then first of all, in this case, at the null point, when we obtain the null point, then there is no flow of current through this cell. So when we increase, keeping all things constant, when we increase the S, then there will be no any effect on null point, because there is no current flowing through this circuit. There is no current flowing through this one. So in this case, null point will remains unchanged. So now when cell P is replaced by another cell whose EMF is lower than Q, and we know that the EMF of driving cell is always, EMF of driving cell EP is always greater than EQ. But when we change the cell of EP dash, which is less than EQ, then in this case the potential drop across this wire will be less as compared to the EMF of this cell. So in this case we will not obtain any null point. So this is the answer of these all three questions. Now we will shift the next question, question number 3. In this question, question number 3, now first one is what? When K is open, this key is open, and whether balance point will shift if current through private cell decreases. फिर वही क्वेश्चन है कि अगर this I will decrease, no doubt this I will decrease, then K also will decrease, and K will decrease, then we have K equal to V by L, then this L will increase, means here null point will shift towards points B, null point shift towards points B. But in this case, when K is closed and R is increased, then what will happen about the null point? Then in this case, now this current keeping constant, then in this case the current coming from this cell, what will happen about this? This will be E dash by, and this is R plus small r. This small r is the internal resistance of this cell. So when this R is increased, so no doubt this value will increase, and the current through this E dash cell will what? Decreases. And in this case, what will be effect on the terminal potential difference of this one? We have formula कि E dash minus I dash R. So here this I dash decreases, no doubt this V will increase, and this V will increase, terminal potential of this will be increased, then to balance it the null point will shift towards B, and this is the final answer of this question. So now I will explain in next video about the magnitude effect due to current. So thanks for watching.